In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Constant Contact. Now, if you're working with Constant Contact for your email marketing campaigns and need to include a neatly organized table to present your data more effectively, this tutorial is just for you. Tables can be a great way to display information in a clear and understandable manner, whether it relates to statistics, product details, or event schedules. So let's dive right in and take a look at how you can add a table effortlessly. First things first, you need to get to the Constant Contact platform. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and simply search for Constant Contact on Google. Once you've found the site, click on the Constant Contact link to head to their homepage. You'll see a login button on the screen, usually at the top right corner, so go ahead and click on that to proceed. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. In case you're new and haven't created an account yet, you might want to sign up first to follow along with this tutorial. After logging in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Create button, usually highlighted in a prominent place, and click on it. This is where the magic begins, as it will open up a variety of creation options for you. From the options available, click on Send an Email, which is typically the go-to choice for setting up your email campaigns. You'll then want to start fresh, so select the option to start from blank. This will give you a clean slate to work on without any predefined templates. Now, here's the crucial part. To add a table to your email, you need to include a data table block. Look for the data table block on the side panel. Once you've found it, click on it and drag it over to your email workspace. Dropping it there will create a placeholder for your table. Once the data table block is in place, click on the table to add the necessary number of rows or columns. The flexibility here allows you to customize the table according to the amount of information you need to display. To make further adjustments, click on the Add Tables icon, which is often displayed somewhere on the interface after dragging the block. Here, you can choose your preferred table size by determining the number of rows and columns you need. After setting up your table, click once more on the chosen size, and voila! Your table should now be inserted perfectly into your email template. Feel free to fill in your data, adjust the styling, and ensure that the information is clear and precise for your readers. There you have it. Adding a table in Constant Contact is as simple as that. Remember, tables are an excellent way to enhance the readability of your emails and present information in a structured manner. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be adding tables like a pro. If you have any questions or want more tips, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.